So, hi. So, still nasa lab 19 tayo, pero parang part 2 niya to. So, ito yung STP election. So, dito sa topology na meron tayo ngayon, meron tayong apat na switches and apat na switches. And meron din tayong mga questions sa baba. So, sabi dito, try to solve these questions without using the command line. So, sasagutan natin to without using CL command line. So, unang question is, which switch is the root bridge? So, we all know that root bridge sa STP, madidetermine siya using the bridge ID. So, yung lowest bridge ID niya. So, since nandito naman yung lowest bridge ID niya, so, makikita natin na yung mga, which is yun yung mga default bridge ID nila, which is 32, ito, which is 32769. So, yun yung default. So, magbe-base tayo sa MAC address niya. So, lowest wins sa case ng tie, if ever meron. So, kung makikita natin dito yung switch 1, this one, ito siya, ito yung kanyang MAC address. So, makikita natin na itong dalawa is almost, the lowest na dalawa. So, magbe-base tayo nga sa lowest wins in case na may tie. So, I think it's switch 1. So, pag pinag-compare kasi natin yung dalawa, ang pinaka may lowest is ng MAC address is switch 1. So, yan, switch 1 yung tamang sagot. I think. So, check natin yan. Pero, for now, wait lang. Which is the root? So, this is switch 1. So, after nun, i-identify naman natin yung root part. So, identify the following interface on all switches. So, yung root port is port with the lowest cost ng root bridge. So, makikita natin dito na like may fast Ethernet and then my gigabit Ethernet. So, we all know na kanina meron siyang cost na 19 yung fast Ethernet and then yung cost sa giga is cost is 4. So, sa switch 1, yan, wala, no root port ito. And sa switch 2 naman, ito, sa switch 2 na to, is directly siya sa directly connected siya sa switch 1. So, meron siyang cost na 19. So, sa switch 3, directly connected siya sa switch 1. So, may cost siyang 19. While the switch 4, may pass-through siya sa switch 3 to switch 2. Pero, syempre, we all know na kanina, nasabi na yung gigabit is 4 lower cost siya, which is 4. So, yung root, isulat lang natin. Root part is, this is none. F0/2, F0/1, G/1. So, yan. So, yung pangatlo naman is i-identify ay yung designated port, which is DP. So, yung designated port is forward traffic on each segment. So, yung lowest path cost doon sa route bridge, yun nga, FTI, yung kanina, katulad kanina, yung lower winds, yun yung BID winds. Tapos, pag tie ulit is parang yung lowest interface is ng number, yun yung yun. So, each segments must have DP. So, yun sa switch 1, meron tayong F01 and F02. And switch 2 to switch 4, this one, ito, meron tayong yung switch 2 mas lower yung BID, tapos yung switch 2 meron siyang 0/1, and yung switch 3 to 4 is yung switch 3 meron siyang mas lower BID, and switch 3 since gigabit Ethernet 0/1 siya, yun, yung DP niya. So, if ilalagay natin yung designated ports niya, so F/1 and F/2. Tapos, this is F1, this is FG1, tapos ito is wala. Kasi, meron lang siyang isang root, it only has root port and block port. So, yun. So, yung number 4 natin is i-identify natin yung alternate or block port. So, yung block port dito, mag-create siya ng loop if active. So, yung remaining port ay neither root port or designated port na mabablock. So, yung SW4, which is switch 4, meron siyang F0/1 towards yan sa switch 2, block yan. Because yung switch 2 is meron na siyang DP para doon sa segment na yan. So, yung switch 4, gigabit Ethernet ay root port, so hindi siya black. So, kung may black man tayo, this is none. None din ito. None. Sa port, this one, ito yung black. So, yan yung black. Since, yung papunta sa switch 4. So, yun, check natin if it's correct to verify kung tama, since we're not using the command line, only the topology and the lang. So, it's only 3 and 1 natin. So, yan. So, I think we're correct since switch 1 natin, we have designated port, which is 1 and 2, 0/1 and 0/2. And wala siyang black port. And sa switch 2, check natin. So, sa switch 2, I think I'm wrong. Sa Sa switch 2, meron tayong ang root natin, this one. And ito naman yung sa designated port natin and wala siyang block. So, sa switch 3, ulitin natin. So, sa switch 3, meron tayong designated port na ito. And then, the root, this is the root. No, this is the root one. Sorry, nagkamali lang. This is the root and designated this is this one. So, wala rin siyang block. And sa pinaka 4, switch 4 is So, ito is we have ito yung sa root natin. Tapos, ito yung sa designated natin sana na makikita pero it's not designated. It's actually ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na black. So, yun. So, yan. Nakikita naman natin. So, yan. So, yun. I think we're done here.